Watch this, guys. See? That's Nero. Well, it's a house one. You can tell it's a house one. It's got numbers on it. But I'll show you the other one. There's the other one. Right there. Oh. I just got down because of the fan. This one's cheap. You can hear it braggingly. It doesn't sound too good. You guys see that? Doesn't sound too good. Yeah, I just got this fan up a while ago. I got it restored from the other one. It's in the storeroom. But now I got 2 spare ones. So, in case I need it. There's the home ec fan that I used from another video. It's been used a lot for cold air, I guess, in Australia. It's so hot. And here's that fan that I asked you about. That new fan. Still working, but same thing. It's a hot day. So it's that 60-inch 30-inch ceiling fan. It's a version of Little 10. I think. Yeah, it's a version of it. But you can see the light was not good enough. Well, anyway, that's all I can show you. It's just this stupid Nero fan from the house. You can tell we restored the power point. There's another one over there. So, yeah, that's all I can show you, viewers. It's just the fan. It's this one here. This one's just a bit shaking and wobbly. It's so cheap. And because this grill was in there, there's a grill there. And the grill was security safe. This one's durable. The other one's too weak. Anyway, that's all I can show you guys. Just a Nero fan. But I will use another one. Good luck.